Are you ready to transform your hair care routine? Hair loss, hair breakage, stagnant hair growth, thinning strands, and itching scalp are common struggle many of us face. This herbal hairspray is going to be a banger. So if you are looking to regrow back your edges, you are looking to grow your hair longer, thicker and healthier, do not joke with this herbal spray. This herbal spray is super powerful and it works so wonders to your hair growth. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. To prepare this herbal tea spray, first thing is to bring my clean jar. My first ingredient is cinnamon stick. If you have cinnamon powder, you can also make use of it. Cinnamon boosts blood circulation to the scalp, stimulates faster hair growth, fights dandruff and scalp infections, keep scalp healthy and clean, strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage and shedding, promotes thicker, fuller hair, support volume and density, and also help to cleanse scalp buildup. So if you're looking for thicker hair growth, if you're looking for faster hair growth, if you're looking for fuller hair, if you want to stop that shedding, that hair breakage, you need to start incorporating cinnamon stick on your hair regimen, and you'll be very happy that you do so. My second ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek are rich in source of iron and protein, has nutrients for hair growth, provide moisture, stimulates hair growth, strengthen hair, soften the overall hair texture, fight dandruff, prevent hair loss, enhance hair shine, promotes healthy scalp, and add thickness to your hair. Sometimes the reason why our hair is breaking, our hair is weak because of lack of protein and iron. So adding fenugreek seed on your hair regimen, it will do a whole game changer for you. It will help you to stop that breakage, give your hair more volume, and help your hair to grow more faster. Okay, so start adding fenugreek seed on your hair regimen and you'll be very happy that you do so. So I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed. Our third ingredient is chalk seed. A lot of people have not discovered the power of the chalk seed. Do you see those tiny seeds? Guys, they are so powerful, they are so potent. Please feel free to carry your research and you see how powerful, how important the chalk seed is in our hair. Chalk seed has a lot of rich nutrients for hair. Chalk seed is a good source of protein, omega-3 fatty acid, and other essential nutrients that support hair growth, strengthen, and the overall healthy scalp. This omega-3 fatty acid in chalk seed can help improve circulation to the scalp and nourish hair follicles, stimulating hair growth. It also helps prevent thinning and repair damaged hair. Guys, don't ever joke with the chalk seed. Chalk seed is very important. Okay, so I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my chalk seed. The last but not the least of my ingredient is hibiscus flower. So make sure you add hibiscus flower to this, okay, and use just a little amount of it. After putting that, next thing now is to pour in my hot water to infuse this. Okay, so you can also boil yours, okay, but I advise you to do infuse method. After pouring your hot water, cover it up, allow it to sit for 12 hours, but I later leave mine to sit over 12 hours. Okay, so just allow yours to sit for 12 hours or 8 hours, you are good to go. So once it's 12 hours later, my recipe is ready to be used. So I'll be needing a helper bowl and my shifter to collect my tea spray. Guys, this tea spray is banger. This tea spray is a whole game changer for you. With this tea spray, no more stagnant hair growth, no more hair shedding, hair breakage, no more thinny hair, thinny edges, or weak hair. Believe me, DT spray is a solution to that your hair problem. DT spray is a solution that you have been waiting for. Believe me when I said it. Just pay close attention to get the instruction on how to use DT spray to solve those your hair problems and also to achieve your hair goals. So what I'm doing now, I'm transferring into my applicator bottle for easy application. So now I will demonstrate to you the powerful way to use this herbal tea spray to achieve those your hair goals and also to solve those your hair problems. First way to use this powerful tea spray to see faster results and also to activate the tea spray to work so wonders on your hair is using it as a leave-in tea spray or leave-in treatment. To seek best results with the tea spray, do not wash it out. Allow the tea spray to sit on your hair, okay, for that best result. And please don't use it on a dirty hair, okay? Dirty hair, I mean, if you have not washed your hair for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, please do not use it, okay? Wash your hair before you can use it because you have a lot of build-up and also your hair is dirty, meaning this spray cannot penetrate very well on your scalp and also on the strand of your hair to solve those your hair problems and also to help you to achieve your hair goals. So the best way to use this spray, use it on a clean hair, okay, for that best results. And also if your hair is low porosity, please warm this tea spray. Let this tea spray be a little bit warm before you apply it on your hair. Believe me, this is a whole game changer for you. It will help so much with this tea spray to see good results faster, okay? Another way again to use this tea spray is to use it as a final thin rinse, okay? After your wash, they pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp for some minutes, then cover up your hair for some minutes. Also you can rinse it out or you can choose to leave it on your hair and moisturize your hair. Guys, this tea spray works so amazing. If you can follow the instruction and use it properly, okay, you get best results. But please, whenever you do tea spray, whether leave-in condition or final thin rinse, make sure you massage your scalp. If you skip scalp massage with this tea spray, you will not get that good results. This tea spray will not work that faster on your hair, okay? So always massage your scalp for that best results and also follow all with your leave-in condition or hair butter in with oil. Is very, very important. Do not just apply this tea spray on your hair and you just allow it like that to sit like that without sealing in the hair with your hair butter or your leave-in condition, okay? So that this tea spray can sit longer on your hair to do that amazing work it made to do on your hair. These are the best 2 ways to use this tea spray to get that faster crazy hair growth and also to solve those your hair problems. So any area of your hair problems that you are battling with, just focus this tea spray on that particular place with consistent of using it. In 2 months time, you see a great result on your hair. Your hair will be so long, so thick and so bushy. Your hair will be too hard for you to handle. Guys, consistent is the key and also be patient, okay? You get that good results. If you want to have a healthy hair, try to use natural ingredients. They are lifesavers. Don't always look for product that will grow your hair overnight. There's no product out there will grow your hair overnight. Only thing you need to do is to be consistent and also to be patient. But the good part of natural ingredients, they are chemical free products. You don't need to worry anything about damaging your hair or whatsoever. So natural is more safer to try and also more potent. Believe me when I say that. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate you guys for your support and for your love towards the channel and also towards me. And also, please, I want to beg you guys to join my membership. That is another way you can support me. That's another way I can make money, to see money to buy more ingredients, to show you guys how to grow your hair without to breaking the bank. Okay, so please join my membership. Okay, and I'll be very happy that you do so. Please click on that link below to join the membership, and I would really appreciate that. God bless you all for your support and also for joining the membership. I hope you find this video very helpful. Let me know in comment section below, okay? And also let me know where you're watching me from, okay? Thank you so much. Please, if you are not subscribed, please do where to subscribe, like the video, and share this video to your family and friends, okay? Thank you so much. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.